Hello YouTube, Rickadil here once again for part 7 of my collection. So I guess let's get started. Here is a Rubik Revenge, still in the box, older one, kind of beat up in the boxes. We have a 3 by 3 by 5, 3 by 3 by 5. My cube for you, I think. Nope, not cube for you. Oh, there it is. Yeah, it is cube for you. Cheese puzzle. A 3 by 3 by 6. 6. 1, 2, 3 on bottom, 4 in the middle, 2 on top. 6. 3 by 3 by 6. Another 3 by 3 by 5. A couple of tigers. Cube, lights out cube. Pretty fun. Oh, and a lights out regular, I guess. Hexagonal prism. By Mefferts. Another lights out 2000. I have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 missing links. This one is, well, not a Rubik's brand, but I like it because of the reflective paint on it. Green and gold, red and gold on this side. But white doesn't have it. Oddly enough. Could have made it silver or something. I have 3 more special editions. Missing links. A little harder to find. I think that's called a shepherd's cube. 5 by 5. You gotta go all in the same direction, the arrows now. This is easy as a 5 by 5, but it gets like confusing because of the arrows. Which arrows pointing which way, and then you put it in the right place, and it's like, nope, that's not the right one. It's not the right place. Rubik slide. Oh, another Rubik slide. Ah, sorry, buddy. 2 by 2 tartan cube. I think this is called a volcano. Volcano by Mefferts also. Mefferts. I keep on calling it Mefferts. Mefferts. A cube for you, 3 by 3 by 4. Another one. This one's solved. I have this. Fadas Kokai 4 by 4 by 4. Profi Warful. I think Warful is supposed to be like puzzle. Oh, and there it is. Still in the box. We have a snake. A recent one. There's a vintage snake. Another vintage snake. That's when they have Pac-Man on. And those stickers. Pac-Man stickers. I don't know if they were still like that or somebody put them on, but I've seen other ones like this with different stickers. I think one with a Hello Kitty, I think, and I forget some other ones. So, I think they came like that. This one, and now I forget the name of this one. It's like his cousin. Different puzzle though. I think. Yeah, they're different. Anyway, Atomic Chaos with a little paper. There you go. Trapezoidal kind of puzzle. A 4x4x4 with color blocks. Another one, different design. Little whippet style puzzle with the green guy. Well, very tower, I guess. Uh, 2x2 monkey cube. There's another one. That looks easy. It's pink, but the shades of pink are different. So you can tell, but these are darker than these two. I guess you can. My wife can't tell, but I can tell. Whole bunch of little novelty 3x3s. Princess, SpongeBob, Cars, Minnie Mouse, and Daisy Duck. Toy Story, and Dora. Like an Annie tower. But it's not any brand, I don't think. And 2 older Rubik's games. A 4x4x4 cube. Another small 3x3. Weird design. Another any type slide puzzle. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 for each column. An older whippet. Whoa. Dots on the center. I guess it helps you control it better. Move it easier, that's for sure. Mini Atomic Chaos keychain. So, fill the whole puzzles. I think these are from Russia. Or that's where they swear where I ordered them from. And then this one, different tile, flower one. The Magellan white version. There's an indie puzzle. Braille. Still in the package. An older UFO puzzle. The very disc UFO. Made in Hungary. A keychain calendar tower. Whippet style. That's pretty cool to find. A different type of pyramid that I don't think I showed you yet. Alibaba's pyramid puzzle. Void. A smaller one, so them all 3 there. There you go. Oh shoot, I forget. I just had it in my brain. Anyway, like a pyramid kind of thing, but I guess a shortened version. Pretty easy to solve. And the keychain pyramid on that shelf. And a very old 5x5x5. Well, that is it for this shelf. I'll try to make another video in a couple of days. So again, this was part 7. I should be doing that drawing for that one little necklace cube soon. So, keep on looking, and thanks for watching. Goodbye.